Okay, so I'm updated to Android 2.0, 2. Excuse me, 2.0.1, which is just the release after 2.0, which came with the Droid. I'm using a couple widgets, nothing major. What you should notice though is at the bottom, it's the 2.1 squares, and they're not just for look. They actually do the 2.1 intro. So I've got that. When you press the home button, go ahead and just do that. I pressed menu. Press home button, you press the dots, it goes over just like it should. And it's 2.0.1, so um, I don't think I have the gallery app right now. I'll check in just a minute for you. But while I'm telling you about that, I'm going to explain how I did it, which was there's a APK file now out there that will give you 2.1 features. And there's also a another APK file that with some ADB shell and some programming type stuff that will give you the new music app that's out for 2.1. But here it is. It says 2.0.1, not 2.1, but 2.0.1, and I have the dots, and I have the home screen. It's called launcher.apk. Um, Real quickly, I will check and see if I have the gallery update, which if you have 2.0 or 2.01, you'd know what the gallery looked like before. It was kind of just had pictures, 4 wide, and it just scrolled down until you had what you had. So right now it's a little slow, the launcher, but it's a little bit better than what we've come from, which was pretty much nothing. I mean, there was 2.1 early on, and it just wasn't very good. And they updated and it got a little better, and then they updated and it got a little better, and now there's an APK file. And no, it does not look like doesn't look like the launcher came with the gallery. So basically, it's just another Home++ or GDE home screen replacement. And then you can get the gallery and the music app. They're out there. You have to get them in APK files. You have to do a little bit more than just scan it and run it like a new home screen. Um, you actually have to do like some ADB shell, and I've heard one of them uses BusyBox. So give it a look. Get out there, look for it. Um, I've heard there's an update zip, just like if you move to, or if you got root, which I do. But if you were rooted, you just update zip. And to get to 2.01 early, you could use the update zip. And I've heard there's a 2.1 update zip out there, but it's really buggy. I'm not sure if Cyanogen is making it, or um, there's a couple of other ones, but I'm not exactly sure who's doing it or if they're all working together. But it's out there, and within a few weeks, I'm sure it'll be ready for your use. So check back when I do that.